Inventory Management helps to track the flow of goods from manufacturer to inventory to consumer, but it is not just an internal process for inventory tracking purposes, as it directly affects the customer relationship. Effective inventory management helps to maintain a balance between customer satisfaction and company's profit. It ensures that there are enough products to sell without spending too much, getting them into customers' hands during demand fluctuations. Supply chain logistics and products' natural life cycle will become hectic to manage, forecast, ship, trace, and optimize, which is why managing inventory through an ad hoc combination of multiple softwares or systems can often cripple a business. That is why Flectra Inventory Management Software comes into play. Simplified inventory visibility across all channels enhances effective optimization, estimated order tracking, reorder management, cost tracking, shipping and supplier management to and fro from customers and suppliers. Save your time, money, and ensure customer satisfaction with Flectra Inventory Management.